Hey guys, welcome to the 321 channel. For those that want to learn how to program in C#, this is a quick little video on quick and straightforward, just a quick little video on how to do a quick console app in C#, just to print out a message that most of us programmers start with. So I just named this Hello World here and just get this created. Click enter there. Just to get this project started. And here's the main function of the class. That's the main class there, program.cs. It's the main function of the program. This is where it's going to start off from. So I'm just typing a quick little message here. Hello world. This is 321 from YouTube. And it'll print it out into the console here as I run it here shortly. Got to run that. So with C# syntax, you got to put those semicolons. Oh, there. Accidentally ran that. Let me put a breakpoint. Run it again so you guys can see it. So I stepped one line and there it is. The console up. Hello world, this is 321 on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace.